how to fix crashing and freezing problem in Marvel Rival. So before starting the video, I would like to make some things clear that what have I done in order to fix this problem. So the number one thing I did in order to fix the problem is uninstalling my game and again installing it and again uninstalling it. I have done multiple times. I have uninstalled my Windows 11 and I have even uninstalled my graphics drivers. I have tried a different set of RAMs. I have tried a different set of GPU inside my computer. I have done everything. I have even tried to upgrade my drivers of NVIDIA GeForce, and I have done everything. So basically what I'm trying to say that the things we are facing right now, the crashing problem and the freezing problem in Marvel Rival, these things are not in our hands. So basically what I'm trying to say is this: the game is pretty new. The game has been released in 6 December 2024, so it's pretty new game. So we have to accept the things that in new games there are a lot of problems and the developer of Marvel Rivals are facing the same. So we have to give them a bunch of time. So right now we can only do is wait for the developer to fix this problem, because this is not in our hands. You might try to solve this problem by watching different YouTube videos. You can try anything you want. You can try everything, but at the end it won't get fixed. Maybe for some people, for like 0.01%, maybe it's going to get fixed, but the majority of our people, it won't get fixed, because this is not our hardware problem. It is the developers, it's from the developers side. So the only thing I am recommending you to do is just wait. I know it's frustrating to play this game with lags, but you just try to adjust it for the timing, and I'm pretty sure the developer is going to fix this problem. So yeah, this is what it is. So please don't hate me on the comments, and I'm just trying to make your problem easier. I don't want to give false information. So yeah, that's what it is. Thanks for watching and have a great day.